Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and we're going to be unboxing my Therabox, and this is for the month of June. You always get it right at the end of the month. It's around $50 a month. It's a self-care subscription, and this is how it comes. And it was in a big bag this time because we had a beach blanket in there, and it's a real pretty like coral color, and it has a picture of it, so that's what it looks like. It's brown, and it says it's by Animal Company. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but it says it would be $39.99. Okay, so the first thing that I see is 100 things to do on tough days. Written and designed by a dose of reminders. So it has different things that you can do. Bake something, let some natural sunlight come in, focus on what really matters to you. So just a little booklet here, and it says it would be $9. Then we got a Butt-itude firming butt mask. Get lifting and acne control. Okay, so there's that. And it says that it would be $4.99. It says, why use butt mask? Every day our butt skin experiences repetitive friction from clothes, hydration and dehydration and sweat. It deserves care as much as other parts of our body. So there is what they show that it looks like. I just can't picture me using this. I don't think I would use this. But so there's that. And I don't know if I said or not, that's $4.99. Then we got a Earth Harbor Beach Waves Ocean Hair Texturizer, sea salt plus mango cream. And it says breathe fresh energy into your daily hair ritual with this uplifting mango sea salt spray with an identical salinity, something like that, to the Atlantic Ocean. She gives you that sea swept beach style with subtle volume and sexy texture you have been longing for since your day at the beach. And this is what it looks like. And it says it would be $12. Then we got a NCLA Los Angeles treatments. So Rich Vitamin E infused cuticle oil. And it says it would be $18. Then we got a Joyce Bonelli Come Through Flawless Setting Spray SPF 15. It says this would be $25. And I'm pretty sure that I just got one of these in a box. Can't remember which box I got it in. I believe I got one of them. This is a CLLC by GN Protected Body Cream SPF 30. So it says it's a body sunscreen that protects optimally the skin from the sun by forming a protective filter against UVA and UVB rays. Soothes and hydrates the skin in depth. The formula is enriched with urea, hydrates optimally, and retains moisture in the cells. Soothes the epidermis and has anti-inflammatory action. Extremely gentle component that makes the product suitable for children, even the youngest. And it would be $31. Okay, I think we got watch this fell. And this is our last product, and it's by Amina. It's Pina Colada Hand and Body Cleanser. And it says it will be $24. That sounds kind of expensive for a hand and body cleanser. I just wonder if I like the smell. Yeah, I'm not too crazy about the scent. So that is it for my June Therabox. And I thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.